Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install Chatruletka app on your PC. So, first you will need to open your browser like Chrome or Edge and just search for Chatruletka on Google. Then click on the first official website. Now, when you get to the site, you might notice there isn't a direct download for PC button. They really only show the options for Android and iOS. But don't close the tab. Just look the top right corner of your browser. You should see a little install icon appear. All you have to do is click on that. Then a small pop-up window will appear. Just hit install and it will set everything up for you instantly. It's that easy. Once it's finished, you can close your browser completely. Then you will find a new Chatruletka icon right on your desktop. Just double click on that icon to open the app and you are all set. And that's it. You are ready to start using Chatruletka app on your PC. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.